Today I'm coming to you from St Barts in the Caribbean, one of my most favorite spots in the world. I've been coming to this island for about 22 years, and there's one shop that I never miss coming to. It's called the St Barth Stock Exchange, and it's here on the other side of the island. If you come in on the ferry, go around to the other side of the harbor and you're going to find this gem of a shop. It has prices that the smart girls can afford, because some of the clothes shops here are very, very expensive. But I like to come here, and my friend Vero is the one who owns the shop. And here she is, Vero! Nice to see you!
Nice to see you!
So good to see you. This beautiful shop. Look, these are all of her creations and things that she buys from all around the world. I come here and I go crazy. Beautiful dresses, all kinds of leather goods. She's got, look at these things over here, just collected from all around the world. Today I tried on some beautiful things, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. And look at these necklaces, beautiful pearl necklaces, very fashionable. A lot of people like these ones that have the black pearls. I got one that has some pink pearls on it, gorgeous, and it's all her collection. She adds her special touch to the things, but they're prices that you can afford. Like these necklaces are maybe $120, $150. It's not like $500 when you go across to the other side of the harbor. These gorgeous long gowns if you want to go to a very fancy dinner when you're here on the island, or when you go back home and you want to have something spectacular. More jewelry up here for you to look at and enjoy. Good prices. Look at these prices. 12 euros for some of these things. Beautiful things. And now I'm going to give you a little bit of a fashion show. Like this one there. Oh, this one's really pretty.
Beautiful.
But let's see.
The colors match good with the dress.
Yeah, it's good, but I'm not really sure how to.
So this one you can use as a cravat style.
Cravat style. Okay.
Okay, so you can move a little the beading.
Okay.
You can,
oh, the beads move.
Yes, the beads move.
Okay.
You know, you can, and you have the big
so you
pearls
can,
here.
okay, that looks nice like that.
Beautiful.
Okay.
But I show you another technique.
Okay, show me another technique.
We will put this one here.
Here.
This one here. We use it like a choker.
Oh, a choker.
You see? You begin like a choker.
Okay.
You put here. That's nice like that. You like?
Yeah, let me see a little bit closer. Yes, I can see.
I take this one here. And
Okay.
now we cross.
Okay.
You bring back. You put the little. You place the beading, huh? You place as you like.
Okay, so you place it the way you want it.
Turn a little bit more
Okay.
to make this same longer.
Okay.
And now look, you do just that, and you have a new necklace.
It's another style.
You have a new necklace.
I love it. I love this pink pearl. It looks like a very special kind of pearl.
Yes,
And you put these
like that.
extra little sparkle ones on.
Yeah. You have different size. You have the big one, medium, and smaller. And this is the little beading handmade silver, pink, gold plate.
I'll go like this. There's some more light.
Beautiful,
Beautiful.
Sally. Super.
I love it.
Very feminine.
Okay, so now Vero is going to show us some of the designer collection that she has here. It's unbelievable. She has every range, which is so exciting because if you want something extra special, she has that. If you want something simple, like just some blue pants you're going to see later, she's got that too. So tell us about the collection that you have here, Vero.
So Sally, this corner designer
Designer.
is
Okay.
one of the very good corner in
Okay.
St Barth Stock Exchange.
Okay.
So I will show you a few pieces. For example, I just got a Ralph Lauren dress, beautiful dress that is in cotton and it's Ralph Lauren. This one, for example, it's a Lanvin. You know Lanvin is a famous French brand. It's a beautiful silk. So this kind of piece you can find also in St Barth Stock Exchange. And I just got Zadig et Voltaire. It's a new shop in St Barth, but they are very famous in
Look
France.
at this on the side. This
Brand new. That's a Zadig et Voltaire.
wonderful.
I got also Massimo Dutti. Massimo silk, pure silk. Little dress, beautiful.
I think it's my size. That is spectacular. Isn't that beautiful? I
Beautiful.
could see that wearing that in New York. Okay. What else?
I show you different
Yeah,
styles,
these are different
brands.
ladies like different
That
things.
is a Tara Jarmon. It's a very good brand. And I just got this one a few days ago.
That is lovely. Oh, look, you can see it's like a jacquard, silk jacquard kind of thing. Oh, beautiful. Love that.
I will show you also a Camilla jumpsuit. It's a super brand, you know.
Look at that. Oh,
Camilla
it feels like silk.
Yes, it's silk.
And then it has this
Crystal.
crystal.
Yes.
Beautiful.
I have a lot of customers looking for Camilla because it's a very, very famous brand. I have another one, Camilla, that I just got.
Wow, look at that.
You see, beautiful silk.
Wow, you can really see the sparkle. And these are all unique, like there's only one.
Unique.
So
Only one.
if you see it, you better grab it
Yes,
because
yes.
it's going to be gone, right?
Yes, exactly, exactly.
Wow.
I got also, I'm looking because I have so many things. This, for example, is just for the beach. It's a little sundress. Very cool for
Looks
the
like
beach.
it has eyelets here where it's transparent.
Yes.
Oh, that's very nice.
I show you a collection from Lila Dumont. It's very good designer.
Oh.
Lila Dumont, it's a pure silk and it's handmade and embroidery. Everything handmade. It's very light.
Isn't that a
very-
pretty color?
Yeah.
I love that. You know, because some women want like a peach, some people like a bright color, some people like very neutral.
That's
Oh,
some
yes.
cashmere. Pure cashmere.
Wow.
Handmade beading with some velvet. And you have a little here on the bottom, you know. So that is very soft on the skin. It's a nice
that is
collection.
very
also.
special. What a unique piece. I love that.
It's nice. And for example, I show you also some gold because gold in St Barth always. IKKS. It's a good brand also. It's just a little pull, but beautiful. You see with all the very light, very light.
Beautiful.
Nice piece. And I have one silk collection that the women love. It's a collection, pure silk, big sarong. You see?
Oh,
I'm selling only for 49.
49.
Yes, so it's very successful.
Wow. Oh, that is beautiful. And then you can just sort of wrap, you can make a skirt, you can make...
Yes, and
Isn't that
some of them
beautiful?
with the prints. I have some print like that with butterfly flowers, you know. And that is a nice collection also.
Wonderful. Just a little preview of what you might find here at the St Barth Stock Exchange.